Look at the beauty. Check it out, check it out, check it out. White waters are raging today. So this is the part where you're gonna want to take your sunglasses, your hats, your water-moving water is colliding with slow-moving water. Fast-moving water gets sucked down underneath, and it sucks down air as well. And then the air comes back up, and it gives it a boiling effect. Now, this water here is moving around 35 miles an hour. We're moving so fast, in fact, you can't stand on the seats. Sorry, you gotta sit up. You can't stand on the seat, yeah. Moving so fast, in fact, that it can't make the 90-degree turn it needs to make. So what it does is it hits the shore where we did our Hamilton turn. There's a counterclockwise spin, and that's where you get the whirlpool effect. Class 6 rapid means it rates really high on the 3 measuring things: the speed of the water, the amount of the water, and the risk to human life. A very, very dangerous area to be. The water just kind of comes here, and all the currents just get mashed and mingle, making it a very dangerous place to be. Well, definitely not a place you want to go swimming. If you got 1 life jacket or 10 life jackets, not a good place to go for a dip. So, I can tell you right now, we're not going through there today. A little bit too big and too bad for me. But it's a really nice sight to look at. A beautiful sight. All right, we're gonna head back to Devil's Hole. Bonus run.